Okay, Matt, this is for you, buddy. You talked me into it. So here it is, July 4th, and my newest purchase is on the trailer now. 4212 hydrostatic snowblower, and has a bagger as well. Here's the trailer. Tilt. And we're going to go into the shed here, and well, the garage. I call it a shed. We're going to go into the shed and take a look. Hold on. Alright, so here's the shed. Built last fall. This little side door. Got your access door, the main front door. Now let's go and take a look. We got the Boland's Hydro with the deck off, sharpening the blades, so we put those on here later today. Got a Boland snowblower, power washer, a Simplicity snowblower, another Simplicity snowblower. That would be what I normally use. We got a Boland's 5-speed ST110, just like the Hydro. We have another Simplicity 4212 Hydro. It's my specialty, I think. And that is a piece of junk. As you can see, it's leaking oil, so I think it's got some problems. We got another Simplicity, bad motor, supposedly good Hydro. I believe that's a Regent 12 or something to that effect. We got a Dynamark. I swapped an engine out of that. I think that's an 89. And that has some issues too. We'll go through all these a little later on. There's the deck for the 4212. There's a Cub Cadet I got for free from my wife's uncle. It's a 1650 Hydro. I don't know, it's early 70s, I believe. I'm not sure exactly. But it hasn't run in like 8 years. Supposedly it did run, just had some carb issues. And here's my little crown jewel, the 4212 Hydro. That's my main unit. And then the 1950 Ford 8N. My grandfather bought it brand new in 1950. And I've been lucky enough to have it given to me. I used to bale hay with it, rake the straw, haul wagons around. So that was what we used to do. Anyway, there it is. So that's it. The first video. Pop my cherry. It's like about gonna be 3 minutes or so. Let me thank Matt, MBYR31, for pushing me into this. I thank Zippo Varga for giving me some advice on some tractors that I was going to buy, but did not, on the Simplicities. So that's about it. Other guys, I will throw some shout outs later, I suppose, as we're kind of getting into each of these projects. I got a few issues with some of these tractors, and kind of show you the progress. That's about all I got right now, I think. So that's it. Thanks. Bye.